Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Zoho Books for the beginners. After you sign up or log in, you will be directed here on your home. On here you can see a lot of tutorials. You can add organization, create your first invoice, create your first bill and expense, and set up banking and journals. We can go to our default dashboard. Here you can see all of the overview of total receivables, total payables, cash flow, income and expense, top expenses, projects, bank and credit cards, and account watch list. Here we have items, banking, sales, purchases, time tracking, accountant, reports, documents, and feature list. First on the items. Here you can add your items. You can add a new one by clicking on this plus button or simply click in this new button. You click on it, you can choose a type if it's a goods or a service. For example, it is a service. Let's put test. Then next, choose what type of unit it is. If it's inch, box, cm, let's put box. Here, this is my currency. You can change it on the settings. Put how much does it cost. For example, 200. Here, purchase information, 200 also. You can input here the account if it's sales, and here, cost of goods sold. Description, you can add description. And you can select a tax here if there is no result found. That's fine. You can add description here too, a tax and preferred vendor. To save it, simply click on the save, and your unit has been, item shredder has been added. Here you can see the overview of your item, the transactions here, and the history here. Next is the banking. You can connect or add your bank or credit card here. You can click on this connect bank credit card or add manually. Next is the sales. Here you can see your sales, your customers, codes, and invoices, sales received, your payments received, recurring invoices, and credit notes. Next is the purchase. Here you can see vendors, expenses, recurring expenses, bills, payments made, recurring bills, and vendor credits. You can see here your vendors list. Here on vendors, you can see your vendors list. Next is the time tracking. You can time track your project and you can see your timesheet. Next is the accountant. You can see here manual journals, bulk update, currency adjustment, chart of accounts. You can see your chart of accounts here, your budgets, your transaction locking. Next is the report. You can report here anything that you want. Next is the documents. You can automatically capture data from your receipts. You can click on this agree and enable auto scan. Next is the configure feature list. Here you can see all of the features that are available on Zoho Books. You can simply click on this, and click on save. I hope that you learned something from that, and that's basically it.